find that
Yeah.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yes, what you were saying?
with the data fake buyer and shipping address and billing address? How can you find the difference of shipping address and the billing address, ma'am? The
Simply you
address
have
is
to check
even
whether they are
more
same
bigger.
or not. If using if condition, you can check it, na? Tax functions.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 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 ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
And whichever is different, you please filter out that one only. Check out which order IDs are
Oh,
there in
okay,
that
ma'am.
category. Yes.
Okay, 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 ma'am.
Okay, Ibrahim,
Okay, ma'am.
Deepak, you want to ask something? Deepak?
Yeah.
Deepak Parmal.
Ma'am, I have sent you my task. Yes, ma'am. I have sent you my task to right now. Can you please review it
Yes, yes.
on your official mail?
Yeah, I am going to check it. One chart is missing, I guess.
Ma'am, which one?
The first one. Like the rating thing, no?
Ma'am, it's represented by the
Analysis of reviews given by customers. Have you done that one?
file and
Analysis of reviews given by customer.
yes, ma'am. In the right corner, it is there.
Right corner where it.
Most reviews given by customer, ma'am. I
Okay.
changed the title.
One more review thing was there. Like
Yes, ma'am.
analysis of reviews of all product categories.
Yeah, ma'am. It is done by the bar chart, ma'am. In the bottom left, top selling product categories. It is also renamed, ma'am.
That is a different thing, no? Top selling is already there in fifth. That is different subtask.
Okay, ma'am. I will do it further.
Only that thing you should include. Rest of the things are all good. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah,
Okay.
anyone else like Pallavi? Yes, Pallavi.
Ma'am, I have mailed you task 3
Task
on
3.
your Gmail.
Yeah. On which date, Pallavi?
I'm on Monday.
I think you have mailed it in my personal mail ID, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Task 3, Pallavi. Pallavi, task 3, right? Okay. It's getting loaded. It's taking some time.
Hmm.
Pallavi, only in one case, only in this one you have included the order ID, but not in others. So please try to include order ID in other charts also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I
Anyone
have
else? Whatever correction I am telling you, you do it, and you when a final presentation will be there in front of Pravin sir, take care of that thing. That's it. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
No need to update it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, in case of web scraping,
Yes.
we need to web all the pages and we need to append.
Yeah, you can make a table out of one page and later you can join all those tables together.
Okay, so ma'am, but ma'am, it is like making so much, it is taking so much time to load.
Yeah, actually Power BI is having some issue. I mean, it becomes slow sometimes. So better you make different sheets and join them later. Sometimes when we are trying to load lot of data together, that times it will get stuck in sometimes it happens.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tripti.
Ma'am, yesterday you asked me to make changes in the order.
Yeah, no problem. You
payment
have done it now. That is okay. No problem.
Yes,
I mean, after why in the final presentation you take care of that thing. Now itself you alter it, and in final presentation you combine all those PDF and present it to Pravin sir. Okay. Yeah. Anyone else? Okay. Ibrahim and Tripti, you are having any other issues?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ibrahim. Okay. So anyone who is having something to say regarding the task?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, Mohammed.
you said that.
Mohammed, yeah, what you were asking?
I sent you task 2 today.
Task 2, okay. Good work, Mohammed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hello?
actually, some students were asking the question in today's, someone from 20th batch in today's session. Is there anyone from 20th batch or who have joined today's 2 p.m. batch? Is there anyone like that? Actually, one of the student asked me a question. That's why I'm asking this thing. Anyone from that batch? You can unmute yourself. Those who have attended today's 2 p.m. class. I think nobody is there. Yes, Ibrahim, you were saying something? Ibrahim, want to say something? Your voice is not audible. Hello? Ibrahim, if you are not having any doubts, you can mute your audio. Anyone else? Mayank, Durga, Ravishu, Badrinath, Anjanesh, Pallavi, Sudhanshu,
So
Prachi.
your mom,
Yes.
I have one question.
Yes, Ibrahim.
So about my chart, you said that I take the average.
Yeah.
Yeah. On this bird, I take the counter by person. It is correct, or because if I try to take the average, tell me that it's column the form I cannot be take like average.
What is the problem? I'm not able to understand. You are having some problem with the status code?
Yeah, I have some doubt about what on my task two. You said that I take the average.
Average?
Yeah,
I
on my task two. You, s- you check my task two right now.
okay. On which date you have sent it?
On drive, you check it right now, and you say that I have to take the average on my visual.
I am not telling anyone average or something like that. If it is okay, I'm saying okay, that's
So
it.
if could you check it again about
Don't take it
task two
personally.
on.
I don't know why you are feeling this thing.
No. I know. Don't worry.
All of you are equal for me. All of you are like my children only. Okay. This is your task, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Your task is really good. I am not telling you that it's not good. It's really good.
Okay. Thank
Okay. Don't feel that thing. Only
you
what I
so
have
much.
told you, the only correction that you require is take the
Mm,
average of the rating. That's it. No other correction is required. Rest of the things
yeah.
are all good. Okay.
Yeah. I will talk you about this one. The average of the rating.
Yeah, only this rating you need to check out. Like rating is always within 5 only. So it is going above 10.
Mm,
So you take the average of it. Somehow you may have taken the by default sum will be there. Okay, by default, whenever we use to make such kind of graph, by default sum is taken.
okay.
So instead of sum, you use that average. Okay, rest of the things are all good. No issues with it. Okay, it's good. Don't feel that
Okay.
you are somewhat low to than others. You are a perfect
Okay.
person. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Anyone else? So, guys, I'm going to close this meeting. Okay. So, all of you have a nice day. Okay. Bye, all.